What's up, what's up, what's up? You already know this is Peach, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my homemade air freshener. Okay, so all you're gonna need is cinnamon sticks like this. These are about $12. I do suggest that you always have these. I even use this when I'm making baked beans. Always have some cinnamon sticks in your house, guys. You're also gonna need a fresh lemon and just 2 cups of water. That's it. It's all natural, non-toxic. Do is slice our lemon in half. So the first thing you're going to do is cut the lemon in half like this. You don't have to take the seeds out. It doesn't matter. So the first thing you're going to do is pour your water. Next, you're going to add your 2 lemons, like it was the 1 lemon cut in half. So add your lemons. And then I recommend 2 cinnamon sticks. And that's it. You're just going to let that cook until it boils. Once it starts boiling, you're going to turn down the temperature. It hasn't been on for a minute yet, and you can already start to smell the aroma. Okay. This is really good if you ever cook shrimp. Like last night we cooked shrimp or crabs. That smell, or even spaghetti. I hate the smell of spaghetti. The smell that lingers in your home, it'll get that smell out within minutes, and it smells so good. It smells so sweet, all natural, non-toxic. I know some of y'all can't cook, so y'all don't know that this is about to boil. When you see the little tiny bubbles, that's showing you that it's about to really start boiling. It's not boiling yet, so don't turn it down just yet. Wait until you start to see those big bubble, and you can go ahead and turn it down and let it continue to boil. You can add more water if you like, guys. So I turned down the temperature, and I'm just gonna let this stay on for about 20 minutes. My children are already starting to wake up from the aroma. So yeah, it normally happens like that. This will be a good school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this homemade air freshener video. If you did, hit a likey like, hit a likey like, hit a likey like for your girl. Let me know if you try it, and if you do, how you like it. If you have your own homemade air freshener remedy, let me know. I might even do the ghetto one that, you know, I'm gonna just wait. I ain't even gonna tell y'all. If you ghetto, you know what I'm talking about. I might do the little ghetto air freshener one as well. But this is my personal favorite. So it's just lemon, cinnamon, and water. That's it. Thanks for watching.